My name is Fere Jesus Vanegas Pedraza and this is my routine. On Sundays first, I always get up at 7 o'clock, then I make the bed. After that, I usually brush my teeth around 7:40 a.m. Then I make my breakfast. After that, I usually go for a walk from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. When I come home, I always take a shower and change my clothes. Then I always help my mom to clean the house. When it's noon, I usually serve my lunch. After that, I normally clean the kitchen. Then I often watch TV around 2 p.m. Then I always go to church around 5 p.m. When I come home, I always take a shower and wash my clothes. After that, I usually watch TV and then I go to bed around 9 p.m. I don't do many things during the day, so this is my routine. Thank you for watching.